In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a quote on Xero. Navigating Xero to ensure that your quotes look crisp, professional, and ready to send to your clients is a crucial step in maintaining a professional image and accuracy in your business communications. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher on how to preview your quotes, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. When you're working within the Xero platform, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Business tab. This tab is your gateway to various business-related functionalities within Xero, including the Quotes section. Think of it as your command center for anything sales or service-related. Once you're in the Business section, your next move is to click on Quotes. This part is pretty straightforward. By clicking on Quotes, you're directed to where all your quote magic happens. Here you'll find a list of all the quotes you've drafted, sent, or need to follow up on. It's your comprehensive overview of the quoting aspect of your business, making it easier to keep track of your sales and prospective clients. Selecting your specific quote is the next crucial step. Scrolling through your list of quotes, find the one you need to preview. This action might seem simple, but it's essential to carefully select the correct quote to avoid any confusion or miscommunication with your client. Once you've found the right quote, click on it to open up the details. After opening your selected quote, you'll notice the Send button. At this point, you might be tempted to rush and send the quote immediately. However, it's crucial to preview the quote before sending it. This is where many people might skip ahead, but previewing is a critical step in ensuring your quote is accurate, free of errors, and visually appealing to your client. Clicking on Send doesn't immediately dispatch the quote to your client. It takes you to a screen where you can review the email and quote attached before it's officially out the door. This stage is your final checkpoint for any adjustments, typo checks, or formatting fixes. Now on to the last and perhaps the most critical part of the process, previewing your email before sending. This action allows you to see exactly what your client will receive. It's a mirror reflection of your professionalism and attention to detail encapsulated in a single email. Take your time to review the email content, ensure that the quote attachment is the correct version, and double-check for any potential errors or misalignments in the text. Remember, this email is a direct reflection of your business. It sets the tone for your professionalism, reliability, and attention to quality. A well-prepared quote can significantly impact the client's perception and decision. By following these steps and tips, you ensure that every quote you send out is not just another email, but a professional and accurate representation of your business and services. It shows your clients that you value precision and professionalism, putting you a step ahead in building strong, trust-based relationships. Thank you for watching, and remember, every detail counts when it comes to presenting your business to the world. Make sure your quotes reflect the quality and professionalism of your services. Happy quoting!